You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is, of course, a version of the name Joseph. So some may pronounce it in English as Joseph, but then in German or other Eastern European languages like Czech, it's the most common pronunciation in those languages, including German, is as Josef, Josef with a Z sound, Josef. Now, some other languages may say it as Josef or Josef as well. Different pronunciation. The most common one is rather Josef. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.